Tired of your time tracking week starting on the wrong day? Let's get your Clockify week aligned with your actual work week in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Clockify and locate your profile icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear from this menu. You'll want to select Profile Settings. This is where the magic happens. Alright, now you're on the User Settings page. Look for the Preferences tab. It's usually located near the top of the page. Click on it. Great, under the Preferences tab, you'll find a setting labeled Week Start. This is where you can choose the day your week begins. Click the drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of days. Simply select the day you want your week to start on. For example, if your work week begins on Monday, select Monday from the list. Once you've made your selection, Clockify usually saves the changes automatically. You might see a brief confirmation message. If there's a Save button at the bottom of the page, be sure to click it to ensure your changes are saved. And that's it. Refresh your Clockify dashboard, and you'll see that your week now starts on the day you selected. This will affect all your reports and time tracking views, making everything much more aligned with your workflow.